Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn about string function in PHP. So let's get started. First function name is strlength. This function is used to return the length of a specified string. Next function is strcompare. This function is used to compare the two strings and is case sensitive. It returns 0 if the string 1 and string 2 are equal. Second case, it returns negative value if the ASCII value of first character of the string is less than that of a string 2. And the third case is it returns positive value if ASCII value of the first character of the string is greater than that of a string 2. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next function is strcompare, case compare. This function is used to compare the two strings by using the ASCII value and is a case insensitive. It returns a value 0 if string 1 and string 2 are equal, or it returns a value less than 0 if the ASCII code of string 2 is less than string 1, and a value is greater than 0, that means the string 1 is greater than string 2. Move on. Next function is strPosition. This function is used to return the index of a first occurrence of a substring in a string. From the specify the starting position of a variable. If the value of a starting position variable is not specified, it starts searching from the beginning of the string, and search is a case sensitive. Next function is str function. This function is used to return the part of a string starting from the first occurrence of a substring. If substring is not found, it returns false. Next function is substring count. This function is used to return the number of occurrence of substring from the specify the starting index variable, and the length specify the number of characters to be searched before giving the result. By default, the starting index is 0. Next function is strreplace. This function is used to replace the all occurrence of substring with the specified replace variable. Next function is substring. This function is used to return the substring of starting from the specified starting index variable. Next function is export. This function is used to return an array that contains the string split on the specified separator. Next function is import. This function is used to return a string by concatenation the element of an array separated by the separator. By default, the separator is empty, the string value is containing space. Next function is strupper. This function is used to return the string in uppercase. Next function strlower. This function is used to return the string in a lowercase. Next function is strsplit. This function is used to return an array that contains the split string. The length is specified the number of characters in each element of a resulting array. By default, the value of the length is 1. Next function is odd. This function is used to return the ASCII value of first character of a string. Next function is char. This function is used to return a character having the specified ASCII value. Next function is str reverse. This function is used to return the reverse string.